Hi, welcome to Snappy Blink. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the mustard preset in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some example photos before and after using this preset. Let's get started. First, go to Light and adjust the exposure to 0.11. Reduce the contrast to -30. Highlights to -34. Adjust shadows to -8. Whites for 12 and blacks to -13. Now go to color. Okay, now adjust the temperature to 26. Tint 15. Vibrance 40. Finally, saturation to -3. Then let's adjust the colors. Red, increase the hue by 8. Decrease the saturation to -11. Increase the luminance to 11. Orange, increase the saturation to 13. Increase the luminance to 7. Yellow, decrease the hue by -55. Increase the saturation to 12. Green, decrease the hue by -100. Decrease the saturation to -76. Cyan, increase the hue by 45. Decrease the saturation to -100. Decrease the luminance to 57. Blue, decrease the hue by -100. Decrease the saturation to -36. Decrease the luminance to -28. Purple, decrease the hue by -100. Decrease the saturation to -100. Violet, decrease the saturation to -100. Go to Effects, now adjust the clarity 8. Divas 28. Now let's adjust the details. Change the sharpening to 6. Radius 1.3. Detail 26. Masking 29. Noise reduction 27. And color noise reduction 70. Okay, done. Now you can clearly see the difference of before and after of this photo. Now let's copy these settings and try out on more photos.